I'm going to show you how to find the range and standard deviation of a set of data using a TI-84. So we have, and this is a very small data set, but you can find, using the formula for standard deviation, even a small set of data can take some time. So using your TI-84 and the 83 would be very similar to this. First of all, we need to put our data in a list. So we're going to go to Stat, which I just clicked on, and Edit, Enter. And I have data in my list. I'm going to clear my list by highlighting the list number, clear, and then enter. And as you can see, that cleared my list 1. And I'm going to put my data in. So I have 38, and it's important to make sure you put your data in correctly. 30, 38, 30, and 34. And so we have, let's see, 38, 30, 38, 30. Oops, I did not get my 34 entered. Enter. There we go. Okay. So let's make sure we have everything in there correctly, and that's fine. So remember, it was list 1. So I'm going to do second quit. Go back to Stat. I'm going to go to Calc, and we're going to do the number 1 var stats. Enter. And it was list 1. Now it automatically does list 1, so I don't necessarily have to put list 1 in there. So I'm just going to hit enter, and there is my mean, but it's asking for my standard deviation and the range. Now this gives you a lot more information. That's what I like about it. Let me scroll down. Okay. My standard deviation, or my range, if you remember how to find the range, it's where you take the maximum number and subtract it from the min. So this gives you the max and min, even though this data set's pretty small to figure that out. But 38 minus 30 is 8, so my range is 8. Enter. Nice work. And my standard deviation, let's go back here and scroll back up. Now you have 2 different standard deviations shown here. You have a sample standard deviation and a population standard deviation. And as you can see, you have a sample standard deviation and a population. Now these are different symbols. This is a sigma. We're going to use the sample standard deviation, which is 4, and as you can see, when I put 4 in, I got the correct answer. It did say round to the nearest thousandths. That is rounded to the nearest thousandths. Always make sure you check here for rounding purposes, because you want to make sure if you don't put it in just right, you'll get it wrong, even though you may technically have the correct answer.